Hi, welcome to a short introduction to ReAccess by Intake Partners, a no-code app builder and app modernization tool for Microsoft Azure. ReAccess does two things very well. Legacy application modernization for applications that were built using the likes of Microsoft Access, Excel, DBase, FoxPro, or VB6. Alternatively, ReAccess as a no-code app builder can create completely new and original Azure cloud business applications without the need for any coding or touching the Azure Cloud Services panel. What we set out to do when building ReAccess was connect the applications which users and citizen developers use each and every single day, but make sure that all of the data that was collected through those citizen developer applications was connected to the Azure services controlled and owned by that particular department or business. ReAccess looks like an Office 365 app, feels like an Office 365 app, and requires no coding experience to build a fully fledged application. But it's underpinned by Powerline, which automates all of the Azure cloud services and the security service using Azure Active Directory for each and every single application. Powerline utilizes Azure as platform as a service, supplying whichever app service the application requires as and when it needs it. So where does ReAccess sit in the marketplace? It sits right out on the outer edge of the citizen developer and productivity square. Power Apps, alternatively, is a low-code solution, which provides great flexibility when it comes to designing the front end of the app, but also requires some architectural decisions when tying it into the Azure cloud services which power it as well. And at the completely opposite end of the scale is the professional developer tools such as Visual Studio and then the raw Azure services which are made available as well. So what we're going to do now is quickly take a look at how we would take a legacy Access database and recreate that with ReAccess, making the application available as an Azure cloud app. What we have here is an application which a customer of ours was using. It's a maintenance operations solution, managing the maintenance of aircrafts which exist at certain locations at various different air bases. The database is simple to use, but very important for the team members that use it. It stores the various aircrafts that they look after, vital statistics about that aircraft, and then also when it is due for its next maintenance and repair services. Using the ReAccess tools, we simply loaded this application into our decoder, which breaks the app down to object level and recreates it as an Azure cloud application. Before we publish the application, we're able to go into our ReAccess app builder, which we see here, and we can make any refinements to the app that we wish. So here on the home page, we're looking at the application name, but on the left-hand side, we can see the forms, aircraft, maintenance and repair, parts and inventory, and we can go into any one of these forms and we can add new data fields. We can change controls. We can determine whether somebody is able to print documents or if somebody is able to import data or not using a CSV file on this particular form when inside the application. Once we're happy with everything that we've created, we simply publish and the application is made available through the ReAccess app as a UWP application. Down here on the left-hand side, we have our various forms. The first thing to load is a search screen. Based on a search that I did earlier, this is already pre-populated and loaded the records which are relevant to the search. I can select any one of these records and view more information which is attached to it. I can switch between tabs, or I can choose to edit the data as well. As we move through the forms, we can also then start to create relationships between the data, and with all of the data that exists within the application, we can either choose to export it to a CSV file or possibly even a Word document. But if we wanted to go to a greater level of reporting and insight, each application fully integrates with Power BI, where the user is able to create their own dashboard and reports, or do it with the assistance of their chosen services partner. ReAccess using the no-code app builder also provides the opportunity to build completely original applications, or as we've already mentioned, recreate legacy applications as fully fledged Azure cloud apps in a matter of minutes. If you have any questions, please do get in contact. We'll be happy to answer anything that you have to ask. Thank you.